I come from West Virginia, right on the edge of the New River Gorge. My hometown, unfortunately, in 1953 is where the great Hank Williams was found, passed away in the back of his car. And I've thought many times about the gorge and the things that I heard, and that I wonder if Hank ever heard some of the things I did. So this is a Hank Williams song that's not one of his main ones, but it has a good story to it. This is called I Heard That Lonesome Whistle Blow.
I heard that lonesome whistle blow.
You know, when I was a kid growing up in southern West Virginia, we lived a quarter of a mile from the New River Gorge. And every night, when the C&O coal trains would pass through the gorge, when they passed Fayette Station, they would blow their whistle. As I lay there in my bed, the sound of that whistle in the gorge was the lonesomest sound I've ever heard. And I was wondering, I wonder if Hank Williams ever heard that whistle. And just like Hank Williams, I heard that lonesome whistle blow.